Flex Rental Solutions is the leading cloud-based rental and event management software for the audio-visual industry. With decades of combined AV experience, the team at Flex Rental Solutions has been able to develop a powerful software that addresses the unique challenges that face this industry. With the powerful features found in Flex, you can manage your entire event from start to finish, including quoting a job, resolving conflicts efficiently, staffing crew and labor, tracking gear through scanning, invoicing, reporting, and much more. Since Flex is cloud-based, you can use it anywhere as long as you have a web browser and an internet connection. Additionally, Flex supports unlimited users, so multiple people can be logged in at the same time performing different functions. From the first contact you have with a potential client, you can utilize Flex's rich quoting features to provide a quick and accurate overview of the inventory, services, and total price associated with the job. Quotes are built in Flex with a simple drag and drop interface. Flex will scan and display the availability of each piece of inventory during the quote's dates, so you can be sure that you have the gear to complete the job. The heart of Flex is a powerful inventory and warehouse management system. It's easy to quickly view schedules and quantities, as well as current locations of your inventory. You can also scan items into containers within Flex, so the way packages and kits are built physically can be reflected accurately in Flex. This also gives you the ability to scan a single container out to a job, and Flex will automatically scan all of its contents. After a job has been quoted and confirmed, you can create a pull sheet to be used in the warehouse. An integrated scanning screen allows you to view the progress of the job prep. You can also utilize Flex Mobile, an iOS app that allows you to scan items from your device. After the entire job is scanned, you have the option to print a variety of different manifest reports. To complete the cycle of an event, Flex also includes invoicing features that allow you to invoice a job, send the invoice to the customer, and even export the invoice to QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. You can also record payments within Flex, which can also be exported to QuickBooks. These are just some of the features that you can take advantage of as you use Flex. There are dozens of other features for you to discover as you enjoy a 60-day free trial. Visit flexrentalsolutions.com or email sales@flexrentalsolutions.com for more information.